Here's how you can disable restricted mode on YouTube. 1. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android, or go to youtube.com if you're using a computer. 2. Once you're on the YouTube page, tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner. You'll see that you're logged into your account at the top right. 3. Tap on the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. At the top of the menu, select General. Scroll down, and you'll find an option for Restricted Mode. This feature filters out potentially mature content, hiding certain videos, search results, and sometimes comments. 5. To disable it, just toggle it off. You should now be free of restricted mode. If you can't turn off restricted mode, the next step is to check if your Google account has the correct age settings. To do this, 1. Go back to your account settings and tap on Google Account. 2. Swipe over to Personal Info. 3. Scroll down to find your birth date. Tap on it and make sure it reflects your actual age. Adjust if necessary. 4. Updating your birthday should allow you to turn off restricted mode. I hope this helps. If it did, feel free to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks.